Hi there, this is Sujata Pai. Welcome to my today's YouTube video. Today I'll be talking about my last 4 months of working very hard with my Kalamkari artist and bringing these products, Kalamkari fabrics in the office and then combining to making these gorgeous saris. As you know, Kalamkari is a very painstaking process. It takes a lot, and my artisans do the Kalamkari designs as per what me and my designer team gives them the whole pattern in the form of paper, the design, the sketches, and then they do it on their process it on our organic silk fabric. As you know, Ambi does concept saris, whether it is kalamkari or any other fabric, any other weave. So kalamkari, this particular sari, let me start with this sari. I have combined a kalamkari with a vegetable dye, and as you see, the pallu has a lovely chanderi tissue on it, and the edging or the border is done with the silk, which has, you can't see it, but it has a lovely line stitches on it to make this whole sari ensemble ready. And this sari has a lovely Maheshwari blouse, which we are giving with our sari, with a little bit of hand embroidery done for the sleeves. And yes, this is how Ambi does the concept, and this is my first concept of kalamkari for this season. This is my second concept of kalamkari, where the pallu and the borders are beautiful kanchipuram, and the entire kalamkari is blue, like a nice lovely blue base kalamkari, again with our patent design on it. And yes, the blouse for this is Maheshwari, the lovely hand embroidery on it. So as you all know that Ambi does concept, so when it comes to saris, I don't like the same kalamkari blouse for the sari. This is a lovely Maheshwari which goes with this, and it has gold and the lovely pink and the hand embroidery done on it for the sleeve. So this is my concept 2 of my patent kalamkari concept sari. This is my third concept that I'm wearing, my favorite, because for the summer I combine, it's the first time that Ambi has combined a kalamkari with a lovely bandhani. It's a beautiful pink bandhani and the borders are Banaras. Yes, it's simple yet very elegant, and it comes with the bandhani and the Kanchipuram fabrics blended together for the blouse. So this can be your sleeves. We can style your blouses in many different ways. So this is actually the blouse with this sari. So isn't it gorgeous? So it's my favorite. And coming to Ambi's fourth concept of kalamkari, this as you see is a beautiful Kanchipuram plain silk, and the pallu is chanderi tissue. So the highlight of kalamkari is the pleats. We have done beautiful kalamkari on the pleats, and this I'm giving actually two blouses, options for two blouses. One, this anyway comes with the sari. So this is again a Maheshwari with the hand embroidery and comes with this sari. The other option here is this long jacket, Ambi's very signature blouse. So to make it more dressy, the sari, you can even go for this. So this is option 2. But yes, it depends on your choice, your budget. You can go either for this blouse or for that blouse. So last but not the least, this was my last, but just to give you an idea, as I was doing this Kalamkari collection, we had a client who loved my Kalamkari collection, but she said, I don't want to do an entire sari with Kalamkari collection. So she got her Kanchipuram sari, which you're seeing here at the backdrop, and she wanted a little touch of Kalamkari, a little different concept. So what we did was her Kanchipuram, actually her entire pallu had gone bad of her sari, which was tearing and a lot of holes. This is really an old sari. So since we were doing our kalamkari concepts, I had my kalamkari fabric. I suggested and she liked it. So this is Kanchipuram in combination with, you can come closer, in the combination with Chanderi tissue, which we have done a Pichwai theme on it to go with the beautiful kalamkari border. And again, she liked our concept of Maheshwari blouses. So this is the blouse we did for her with her this sari, as it is different but still it blends well, and giving a little touch of bani for her sleeve edges. So yes, it's turned out nice. I hope she comes soon and collects her sari. So as I'm ending this video, the message to you all is, if you have any of your kalamkari dupattas, old kalamkari saris, or any of your old saris which you like, any of our kalamkari concepts which I showed you 4 of them, we can do combine and do a beautiful, totally a new concept revamp sari for you all. Thank you.